Well, it happened, everyone. It took about 5 hours, but Meet Kevin has taken down my video of the DUI arrest that he was in part of. So this is the actual claim right here. YouTube took it down. They gave me a strike on my channel. They removed it, and I had to actually contact YouTube. Now, I am in the process. I have contacted YouTube and filed a counterclaim to get the video put back up because Meet Kevin is claiming there's copyrighted material in the movie. In the video. Meet Kevin does not own the video at all. I've made this very clear that I got this video from Tampa Police Department. They have the footage, and the footage is public domain. Anyone can request it. It didn't cost me any money. I filed out a claim with the Tampa Police Department. I got the footage and I posted it. Now, there are a bunch of other websites or a bunch of other YouTube channels that have millions of subscribers that post police dash cam and police body cam footage every single day. Those videos don't get taken down. This is completely public domain. You can absolutely post this, and Meet Kevin is completely abusing the copyright system. Now, I don't know how far this can actually go. I don't know how far he actually wants to take this. I filed a counterclaim. It's going to go to YouTube. He now has my public information, and eventually I'll get his public information, and he could possibly sue me for this. But what I want to point out is, like I said, he is abusing the system. He does not own this. As I mentioned, he has no right to claim this video at all. There is nothing in the video that he owns. All of the footage belongs to the Tampa Police Department, which I got publicly. It is public information, and I am allowed to post it. So I know people wondering where'd the video go, because it was up. Everyone wanted to see it. It is now taken down. I know several people were leaving comments saying they were going to copy it. Please do not repost it. You will get a copyright strike as well, so please do not do that. I actually have to fight this, and hopefully I can get the video back up soon. But yes, Meet Kevin took about 5 hours, but he filed a false copyright claim and had the video taken down. So I'm now in the process of fighting it. I will keep you informed, and hopefully the video will be back soon.